In this tutorial, we will learn how to import 3D parts to MBend. After opening the part, the bending information is analyzed so that the part can be unfolded. When the part is open, the software will automatically select the tools and search for variable bend sequences and tool setups. Finding the right bend sequence may take some time based on the complexity of the part. You can also look at the part in 3D view. During the calculation of the sequence, MBend takes into account the available punch and die segments and combines them into the optimal setup. To view the bending simulation, click the Play command. The final stage is to generate an NC file and a setup report file for the machine operator. The setup report includes all the information the machine operator needs to bend the part, including a flat view with bend sequences, setup information, and graphics showing each bend.